Bro, only the SE is stupid.
Oh, so the other is not stupid?
I think they're fine. They work, you know.
There you go.
Don't giant, please. Just wait. See? See? They know. Look at the stupid person. See?
Bro, you are evil.
I'm not. See? Look, there's W5 here. Oh my god, I forgot my food. Don't aggro the gulo, eh?
I will aggro the goal.
No, please no.
Hey, bro.
Oh my, I'm cool down, bro.
You wanna kill me?
You took the aggro. What? What, he died? Oh, he did not die. Okay. Heal me, okay? So I don't use helmet.
Let's do hell get.
What? Who heal? You, me?
Up to you.
I don't. I think you heal, and then I go curse.
Do you have spec on curse?
Yeah, I'm 720 on curse.
Okay, let's go. We go black zone, okay? Black zone, you know?
Bro, Hellgate is black. Is always black. So what do you mean?
No, it's not always black zone, bro.
It is what?
It's not. I play on yellow zone.
Oh yeah, there is yellow zone. I forgot.
Yes. You so noob. You don't know yellow zone.
Yeah, I only do black zone. I'm sorry, I'm too good.
Bro, you know. Apa? Okay. Ngantuk lagi. Ngantuk. Yo, bola. Bro, you're gonna die.
How? How I'm gonna die? See? How do I die?
I'm too good.
How do I die? Bro, is it okay if I post this on YouTube? If we do the 10 goals correctly.
Okay. Ah. Apa? Kan on cam dulu. I'm hungry. On cam dulu. Oh, why reset?
It's okay. So just chill out.
Where is my 2 million loot?
Can someone reset?
Bro, why I have so many silver?
Okay, what the fuck? He missed.
Because of the repair scroll, I wanna buy full 8.4.
Yeah, but I think you shouldn't, you know,
Why?
because repair scroll is about its price is going higher, you know.
Is it?
Yeah,
How much is it now?
it's 630 now.
It's going lower, bro.
Bro, it was 500k like 2 days ago.
Really?
Yeah, I don't know. It's hard because you can only get it from the quest.
Yes. On campsite.
Ya,
Off cam sekali lagi ini aku matiin telepon. Udah suruh off cam udah 10 kali.
Two seconds. Yo, where my sticky at? Why? What? There's one more goal? I did not see. It's okay. I thought they were all dead.
Apa? Satu nih, apapun nih. Woi.
Are
Kenapa?
you ready, Fred?
Yes, go. Woi. Kenapa? Mau disayang-sayang berarti ya? Ya.
Ay.
Cium dulu, cium.
Ah, wait lang.
Punta na pa siya.
May ba kayong gadget card?
Meron. Sa JCB yata yun eh.
Eh, di ba may JCB na
Punta
kayo?
na pa.
Hindi. Expire na yung JCB namin.
Ano yan?
Expired na.
Punta na pa.
Required na to.
Ah.
Ano, hindi na tayo kumain sa labas.
Saan ba maganda kumain?
Siyempre mo.
Mayama ka na ba?
Ha?
Mayama ka na ba?
Wala. Siyempre lang ako.
Oo ba yan?
Anong pera ng estudyante? Estudyante ka din, diba? Wala ka rin pera. Diba? Hindi naman tayo ng papel.
Papel? Wait lang. Teka lang. Chill ka lang.
Ito daw certificate sa Xerox mo.
Okay, wait lang, boss. May short ba dyan?
How can I know?